What's up boys and girls, back again with another video. So many people have issue that the character is not peak in Gameloop. So I'm going to show you easy way to fix this. And watch the complete video without skipping any part of it so that you can understand it better. So many people thought that is the key mapping issue, but not, it is the resolution related problem. So let me show you how to fix this. Open the emulator and go to the settings. Set the model in RAW 2. In game section, tap on the HD 1080p and graphic on smooth, so that your game does not lag. Now open the game and tab on the emulator key mapping section. Now set it that to smart 1080p to align to the screen keys maps. So that's it guys, let me know in comment section that your issue is fixed, and also subscribe to channel if I deserve. Thanks for watching.